Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a fidget spinner out of Lego. So what you need is this, and you need one of those. It's a little Lego thing. You need two of them, and you need this, right there, and you need a propeller. So all you're going to do is you're going to grab your little red stick thing, you can stick it through there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this thing, which should fit on it, and you're going to put it on one side. The other one you're going to put on the other side. And there you go. You got your fidget spinner. Now, it doesn't spin that fast, but, I mean, if you don't have one and you just want to, fool around with it, then you can. So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you all later.
And it's a good thing to fidget around with.